Hello everyone. So in this video we will be learning a very by building Vue.js by building a very basic application, a counter app. That's what we will be building in this project. So first of all, we are going in the Vue website to get the CDN link. You can use Vue both from npm or here we'll be using CDN. So we are copying the CDN link and we are getting the basic HTML structure. So this is the basic HTML structure where we'll be building. So now we will be having a div. The div will be have an ID app, and within this we will have the counter application. So count is the data which will be rendered over here. So this is how we write a we actually initialize a Vue application by writing new Vue, and within that EL stands for element. So element which ID we are targeting the app ID, so that's what it means. So count is 0 for now, and we will have a button over here. So when we click that button, the count should increase. So count is initially 0, so that's what is getting rendered. So this is the button with a plus icon. So we will get the bootstrap styling. So for that we are getting the bootstrap link. So this is a just a button, and this is actually the on click handler. So we write it this way, that @click. So what it will do is it will give count plus equals 1. So it will, when you click this, it will increase the count. So I want to bring this entire application at the center of the screen, so that's why let's put it inside the center tag. And some margin at the top and side. And there you go, we have our application at the center of the screen. We'll put this in H1. And this is actually the increment, and now we'll do a similar thing with the minus sign as well. So when we click, we can increase or decrease. And there you go. So we have a plus and minus sign over there, and we have this counter application. When we click without page rendering, this is getting done. So this is a very basic project to get us started with Vue.js. So thank you everyone.